Let's make 3 easy iced coffee recipes using instant coffee. All ingredients are easy to find or already in your kitchen. To stick instant coffee: 100 milliliters hot water, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Adjust sugar according to your preferred sweetness. 16 ounces cup ice. 100 milliliters milk. Pour in your mixed coffee. Classic iced coffee done. 100 milliliters hot water. To stick instant coffee: 1 sachet condensed milk. Mix well. Ice. 100 milliliters milk. Spanish latte done. 100 milliliters hot water. To stick instant coffee: 1 tablespoon brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Ice. 100 milliliters milk. Salted iced coffee done. And that's it, your 3 easy iced coffee recipes using instant coffee. These are perfect for your daily coffee cravings. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.